for the adventure. Let's get started. I wasn't 100% sure what's next, and oh, we're already 5 minutes in the video. What? Wow, this might be a long video. I can fit 2 parts in this. Actually, no. Polar Axis was the hardest one. Mario told me that right there was where the last red coin was hiding. And he said it wasn't easy. He also said he had one of my friends. He was talking to told him to chill out with him for a day. He didn't tell him anything about me. And then finally, I saw him. It was my good old friend. I had a play date with him after that. And after that, oh my god, Spikies. Spiky poos. Dang it, Spikies. 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 Oh yeah, I remember this. This was not fun. Whee! Oh. Google. There's a certain one where you can just. Oh no! Sugar bomb. Bang! This might take a long time. That's probably why I have. I think Mario knew this. He also showed me he did this in like 5 attempts with my good old friend. I think my best friend is my luck. Good luck charm. Or maybe it's Mario's good luck charm. Who knows? They can be both. Oh. Ding ding ding! Oh. Ding ding ding! Ding ding ding! Ding 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 ding! Big feast! Big feast! Big! Bleed! Oh! I almost landed on one. No. I see it. I see the Mario ski. Oh. Probably jumping into corners is a great idea. Kaboom! Skadoosh! Skaboosh! Skaboosh, you man! Kaboosh! Skaboosh! Kaboosh! Kaboosh! Bleh! Kaboosh! 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 Bleh! Kaboosh! Kaboosh! Bleh! Kaboosh! Kaboosh! Kabeh! 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 Back feast. Big feast. I had nothing for breakfast. Such a while. Ding ding, walla walla wing wang. I bet Mario did this in one swoop. I'm like taking 5 attempts. Temptianos. And I saw ice pyramid right there! 1, 2, 3, 4. Dang it! If I jump at the corner... I hate stupid puzzles. Puzzles. My greatest arch nemesis is puzzles. Save me! Save me! I'm gonna zoom out. Finally, after so many stupid attempts of this stupid thing, kids, I recommend not getting this star at all. The worst star in the game. It makes you go cuckoo. It makes you wanna murder yourself. But I can't say that out loud, kids, or else I'll get banned from YouTube. And my mom will probably murder me. But don't judge my mom. My whole family is crazy. Even me. So don't judge us. Get it? Get it. Okay, I got it. You got it? Got it. Got it. Go. I'm not fat. Yes, Mr. Ice Block, we know you're not fat. This Ice Block does not have a mind. Psst, it does not have a mind. So don't listen to Ice Block. He's probably fat. He's probably been eating too much candy sweets. Just like how Roblox makes people insane. Whee! I'm going. Go. Go! Yes, no. Oh, red coin right there. I did. But he already got it. Beat me to it. Now this is gonna be very annoying. Got it. Ready. Gotta follow the pathway, but don't get blocked. Now this is annoying, but not as annoying as that stupid ice box. At least you have a chance to do something, instead of just being trapped in an ice prison. We might have time to do another episode today. We're not too sure. But if we can, I'll try. He also told me that there was no red coin. Oh, he told me this was the tree I have to climb. Attempt. A hint! Oh, he was so correct. I think, no. This is a regular. Oh! He must be a genius. Mario's a everybody hashtag Mario's a genius, even though he put me in this prison. He's a genius still. Doesn't matter. He's a genius. He knew what I was. He also told me there was one of these present givers have a secret room in them. So I'm gonna try to find it. I bet it's this one. Wait, is it? Oh my god, it is! I was correct. And how did Mario even find it? Wow. Props to him. Maybe he could be smart and handsome like me one day. Ha! Who am I kidding? He'll never be like me. He's ugly, probably. Everybody's weird. Actually, no, I'm no weird. Okay, Ice Block Man, we knew you're not fat. So you don't have to yell it straight in my ear. That gave my subscribers probably also a dislike as well. That Ice Block has some issues. No, you gotta agree with me. The final star! Playing all Super Mario games! And this torture. Can I go now? Wonder which one is next. Wooden workshop! Oh! Okay, I see the symbols now. This is a gear symbol. This is a disco symbol. This is an ice symbol. This is a wood symbol somehow. That's a star symbol. That's a sand symbol. That's a bonus world symbol. That's a bonus world. That's a bonus world. That's a lot of bonus worlds. So how do we get back to the main lobby? There's gotta be a way, guys. I think I know what. We just restart the game. I think it's supposed to take you back to the lobby. I'm not too sure. No, please. Yes. Cameraman, bring it close. Thank you, cameraman. So, guys, I think it might be the end. Cameraman, move backwards. Cameraman, do what I say. I'll do it for me. I'll do it for me, and then you'll do it for yourself. Got it, cameraman? Got it. It's not positioned that good. This might be the end. Of course, we gotta end it off with a fashion way. Whee! Still the Charlotte, man. Sign built this entire place. I really have to hand it to him. Everything here looks spectacular. I'm not too sure I trust that guy. But next time we'll get to see what's behind the doors. If you guys want a sneak peek, don't end the video here. No. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace. Hey guys. If you haven't stopped watching, these things are about to get spoiled. Put it up! Ah, forgot. My brother has the editing system. But still, pretend it's there. Boom! Let me give you a spoiler alert symbol. My spoiler alert symbols will be my frog hat. When I wear my frog hat. Got it? Spoiler alert! Spoiler alert! Spoiler alert! So guys, if you haven't last the video, this is what it now looks like. We're gonna have to end this off in a fashion styled way. Look!